Hello everybody and welcome to today's tropical update. We have a lot to get to in this video, so let's start right now. So Tropical Storm Earl formed last night just northeast of the Lesser Antilles, and as of 5 a.m. Atlantic Standard Time, September the 3rd, Tropical Storm Earl has maximum sustained winds of 40 miles per hour, a minimum central pressure of 1,005 millibars, and is moving west-northwest at 13 miles per hour. We have Tropical Storm Danielle in the northern Atlantic, with maximum sustained winds of 70 miles per hour, minimum central pressure of 990 millibars, is almost stationary, moving west at just 1 mile per hour. Looking at Tropical Storm Earl, Tropical Storm Earl has gotten a little bit more organized since yesterday, officially acquiring a low-level circulation to be designated a tropical storm with winds of 40 miles per hour, and is encountering some of the wind shear, so the majority of the convection is on the eastern side of the storm, and is moving slowly west-northwest and bringing a whole bunch of showers and storms just northeast of the Lesser Antilles, including the U.S. Virgin Islands, British Virgin Islands. So expect some showers and storms and some gusty winds throughout the next 12 to 24 hours if you live in the northeastern Windward Islands, as this continues to move northwest, or as it continues to move northwest. But we're not going to see any major impacts, thankfully, to the islands, as the system is not that strong. Looking at the forecasted tracks for Tropical Storm Earl, it is expected to move northwest for the next 48 hours, and then curve north and northeast over the next 2 to 5 days, and is still projected to move just southeast of Bermuda, but I'm still keeping my eye on Bermuda, as the models look like they have shifted a little bit west again since yesterday. So I'm going to really keep my eye out for you, Bermuda, because the latest intensity guidance models have really ramped up the intensity, strengthening it to a hurricane over the next 72 hours, and then strengthening it into possibly a Category 2 hurricane in the next 5 to 7 days as it starts to get close to Bermuda. So we're going to have to continue to watch this to see if this becomes a threat to Bermuda. And looking at Typhoon Hinnamnor, the Typhoon Hinnamnor is now moving through the islands of southern Japan. Luckily, it's not at its strength that it was a few days ago, but still has winds of 85 knots, or about 105 miles per hour, Category 2 hurricane equivalent, and is bringing tons of heavy rains to the islands right here. So there are being serious impacts right now. So hopefully everyone there has sheltered. And looking at the track for Typhoon Hinnamnor, is located probably just 80 miles or so east of Ishikajima, Japan, and is expected to move north through today and tomorrow, and then curve northeast by September the 5th, moving almost making a direct passage over Busan in southeast South Korea, and then moving northeast by September the 6th between Japan, the Koreas, and southeast Russia. So expect some big time impacts if you live in southeast South Korea and western Japan by September the 5th and the 6th from Typhoon Hinnamnor, as it's expected to strengthen back to a 95 to 105 knot typhoon, which is nearing Category 3 hurricane strength. Looking at Invest 93E in the Eastern Pacific, this now has a 90% chance of tropical cyclone formation over the next 48 hours and a 90% chance of tropical cyclone formation over the next 5 days. And this is expected to become a serious threat for the Baja Peninsula of California. Tropical Storm Javier is already bringing some rain to the island, and this system is going to be a much bigger concern as the intensity guidance models on this strengthen this to a Category 2, and many even take it to a Category 3 hurricane in the next 3 to 5 days as it moves northwest to the Baja Peninsula of California. So this is really one to watch, as the spaghetti model plots are bringing it just west of the Baja Peninsula of California, with a couple of models making a landfall near La Paz. So I'm really going to watch Invest 93E for you guys in Mexico, because this could become a serious storm. Anyway, thanks for watching today's tropical update. I'll continue to monitor all the tropical activity we got for you in the coming days. Stay safe and have a wonderful day, my friends.